Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hey y'all, thank y'all for tuning in and watching again. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and share for all the new people. Thank you for watching, and go over to Patreon and check out the site for me. Hey y'all, thanks again for watching. I hope y'all are enjoying the editing I'm doing. I'm working on this, so please, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll really get into the community and participate, man. Atkins Fabrication and then some. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and share button. I really appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you go over and check out the Patreon, man. Become a tier member. Thank y'all very much, and I love y'all with all my heart. To all my Atkins and recovering addicts out there, man, I love y'all. I love y'all very much, man. This is for y'all. Okay, so this is a little look at the steam engines that I'd like to get into. They're model steam engines. I want to say Stewart makes them. They're amazing, man, and I really love to get into them, man. But, if anybody has a way to get any, or a little cheaper, let me know. Or if anybody's got a 3-inch rotary table laying around that or a 2 3/4 inch, they're watchmakers rotary tables. Anybody of them has one laying around, please let me know, man. What's happening, y'all? This is P here, Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hey, listen, man, we're doing the youth woodworking classes. Why don't you all hop on board here? I still got more room. I can get all y'all in the center of this stuff, man. Let's go. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hop on here. Let's ride on over to YouTube, and I'll show you the site. Hit the subscribe, like, and share button. Hey, man, let's do this thing. Let's get this thing cracking, popping, rocking. Hey, how you like it? Somebody driving big old trucks. Yeah. Hey, on all the real though, thank y'all very much for tuning in, man. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hey, man, hop on board. I'll take you where you need to go, baby. Youth woodworking classes coming up in August, man. Get on board, man. Hey, youngins, man, if y'all see this, go tell mom and dad about it, bro. Let's go. Go over to YouTube, Atkins Fabrication and then some. Subscribe, like, and share. I love y'all, man.